Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this quick and easy protective style. So this is a tribal Bantu knot hairstyle kind of mixed in one, and I'll be using CurlsCurls Clip Ins to really set this hairstyle off. So the clip-ins came in this super cute satin drawstring bag, which is very convenient for storage once you're done using your clip-ins. It also comes with instructions on the installation and the maintenance of the clip-ins, and it also comes with extra clips as well. So this is the hair, and this is how it looks straight out of the package. The curls are absolutely gorgeous on these clip-ins, you guys. This is their Kinky curly clip-ins in the texture 3C4A. The hair didn't smell funny, and the hair felt very soft. So I did shampoo, condition, and detangle the clip-ins before I installed them. I used the Aussie Miracle Moist line to do so. As you guys can see, I am experiencing a little bit of shedding, but that is normal for kinky curly hair. So after I wash the clip-ins, I place the clip-ins on a towel so that they could air dry while I do the front part of my hair. Alright y'all, so this is my hair. So I did shampoo and deep condition it last night. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to part my hair from ear to ear. So I'm going to make a horizontal part across my head. And the back section of my hair is going to be for the clip-ins, and then the front section is going to be for the Bantu knots. So I'm going to take some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to apply it to the front section of my hair just to add a little bit more moisture to my hair since this is a protective style. So I'm going to take a small section right by my ear, and I'm going to separate that from the rest because I'm going to make a box braid right there. So I'm going to go in with the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, and I'm going to place it at the base of my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to get that braiding hair and start the box braid. I do want to talk about that Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. As you guys know, I always talk about the Shine and Jam with the orange cap, but y'all, I think this one is better. This one is super bomb, and I think it's amazing for kinky hair. So I'm just going to take a rubber band, you guys, and place it on that box braid. I'm not ready to put the beads on just yet, so I'm just going to put that rubber band on the hair so that my hair doesn't unravel while I do the Bantu knots. So I did the box braid on the other side as well, and now I'm going to get started with the Bantu knots. So I wanted to show you guys how I actually parted my hair for the Bantu knot. I wanted everything to be really symmetrical, so I started with a triangle in the middle of my hair first. So I'm just going to get some of that Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, and I'm going to apply it to that triangle section in the middle of my hair. And then I am going to take a brush, and I'm just going to brush that Shine and Jam in so that it's really nice and sleek. And then I'm going to get my rubber bands, and I'm going to apply some oil to it. This is great to help with snagging so that the rubber bands don't snag on your hair, and also so that you don't experience any breakage due to the rubber bands. And then I'm just going to use that rubber band and tighten that section.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your love.
So I do want a small braid to be in between each of my Bantu knot. So I'm preparing the part for it right now. And I'm just going to take my hair and braid it all the way back. I really like the touch that this small braid gives to the style. I feel like it makes it more festive and it gives it a lot more pizzazz.
That's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't
So I'm all done with the parts, you guys. As you guys can see, I'm going to have 5 Bantu knots. I also left some of my edges out so that I can have some really nice swoops. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some braiding hair and I'm going to attach it to each of the sections. I'm attaching the braiding hair, y'all, because I want my Bantu knot to look really full and just really plump. So that's why I'm adding the hair.
I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news.
So now that I've plaited the hair all the way down, I'm just going to start wrapping the hair in a circular motion, and this is what's going to form the Bantu knot.
You really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
If you feel like you need extra security for the Bantu knot, you can always add a rubber band.
Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend. No, 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 no.
So now I'll be working on the back section of my hair. So I'm adding some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, again, just to add some moisture back to my hair. And then I'm going to take some oil and just rub that into my hair as well. And then after I rub the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the oil in my hair, I'm just going to put it in a very low ponytail so that it'll be really easy for me to add the clip-ins on top.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the...
Alright guys, so I am going in with the Kiss Edge Fixer to swoop my edges, y'all, because they looking a little cray-cray right now. So yeah, I really love this edge control, y'all, because it does get me right. As you guys can see, my edges look really sleek and nice, which I love.
At the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart issues.
Alright guys, so I am back. I just wanted to show you the clip-ins after they dried. So I received 10 pieces. One bundle of clip-ins can actually do your entire head, so you don't need more than one pack of the clip-ins. So I received 4 clip-ins that had 2 clips on the back. I received 2 clip-ins that had 3 clips on the back, 2 clip-ins that had 4 clips on the back, and I also received 2 clip-ins with 5 clips on the back. Alright guys, so I'm going to start the clip-in installation right now. I'm going to start with the clip-in with the 3 pieces on the back. Y'all, this installation process was so quick and easy. It legit took about 2 to 3 minutes for me to add the 10 pieces of clip-ins to the back section of my hair.
Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Alright guys, so I am going to install the clip-ins with the 2 clips to this section. So I'm going to be installing these clips in the opposite directions because I want it to fall on the weft so that it can cover it. So as you guys can see, I am installing it in the opposite direction. And then I'm going to flip the hair over and it's going to cover those wefts.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on.
So I do want the hair to be a little bit more on the frizzy side. So I'm going to separate the curls so that I can have a little bit more volume.
And live my life.
So I picked up these hair accessories from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to go ahead and add them to the Bantu knots. Alright guys, so this is it for today's hairstyle. If y'all enjoyed, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys are feeling the style. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to use code Sashie for $5 off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!